Hi, welcome to Biology Easy. Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to teach the topic is here cell. What is cells? Where is cell? How can see the cell? What is the function of cell? We'll discuss. Students, any doubt? Just ask. Take the notes simultaneously. Very useful for examination point of view. As a biology students, you should understand this. Fundamentals are very important for the examination point of view. Without fundamentals, very difficult to study for higher studies. Okay? Last bench. What I am telling, understand? Okay, take the notes. Okay, when you look surrounding, they have lot of organisms there. Plants, animals, whatever it is. Understand? Plants and animals, whatever it is. Each living organisms, each and every living organisms made by the cells. Sir, what is my cell, sir? Where is the cell, sir? First understand this. Where is the cell in our body? Stand up you. Where is the cell? In blood. Very good, very good, very good. Sit down. Okay, students. Then only I am telling fundamentals is very important. Okay. Take the notes. Yes. Don't make a noise. Okay. Don't discuss. When you complete, after you speak. Okay. Yes. Sit down. Thank you. Okay. Just now I have told him living organisms made by the cell. Living organism made by the cell. Where is the living organism? Plants, animals, anyone? Very good. Microorganisms. Super. Sit down. Excellent. Excellent. Sit down. Okay. Living organism only made up of cells. Good. The living organism, where is the cell? Where is that? Where is located the cell? You don't know. I am going to tell the correct explanations for the cell. Each and every living organisms made up of cell. Okay. Here, the cell already I put the one dot. Have seen? Not understand. Where is that? Cannot see. Okay. Small dot. After the dot, we can see the microscope. We can see the cell. Microscope, we can see the cell. Understand? Like this, like structure, like a honeycomb, like this, maybe like this. That is a cell. Now understand? Like small, like structure. We cannot see the naked eye. We cannot see. Only see the microscope. Understand microscope? Have you seen microscope any biology? Lab? Yes, sure. The lab. Yes, like one of the lens. Yes. Sit down. Good. It is a cell. Okay. The next, sir, how can see the lot of structure? Cell we cannot see this naked eye. Cell we can see through the microscope. Next, the cell inside so many cell organelle is there. So many cell organelle. Each organs to the each function. We have many organs. Every organs to the each functions. Each organs to the each functions. Eye can see. Mouth can eat. Like that, they have lot of function. Likewise, cell inside so many organelles are each and every organelles to the each function. We will discuss about the cell and as well as the cell functions. What is the cell organelles? Okay. Here, next question I am going to ask the next questions. How can see the cell organelle? Yes, microscope. Very difficult to see. Because magnifications, the particular object is a magnification lot. Big size. How can you see this? Need the electron microscope. Then only we can see the clear structure of the cell organelle. Likewise, they have so many organelles there. Let us see one by one. Okay. Let us see one by. Okay. So many organelles is there. Let us see one by one. Okay. Watch carefully. Last bench. Watch carefully. Okay. Sit down. First understand, they have many parts is there. Cell wall. This is a cell wall. What is the function of the cell wall? This is a protection. The cell is a cell outside a cell wall. Yes. Cell wall. The cell wall is a protection. Protect the cell. You note down, very important. This is a structure of the plant cell. How can I am telling? What is the difference between the plant cell and animal cells? I have seen. This is a like animal cell. Like animal cell. There is no any cell wall. Yes. Absence of the cell wall. Animal cell. This is animal cell. This is animal cell. This is plant cells. What is the difference between the plant cell and animal cell? Very, very important. Presence of the cell wall, plant cells. No cell wall, that is the animal cell. Remaining some of the cell organelles present in the animal cell. Okay. The next, chloroplast except chloroplast. We will discuss. Okay. Yes. Here, cell wall I told. The next, this is a. There is no any cell wall, that is called protoplasm. This region is a protoplasm in plant. Okay, note down protoplasm. Okay, I have fluid substance. The fluid substance that is called a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means some of the students ask, so cytoplasm, what is the difference between the cytoplasm and protoplasm? I am explaining protoplasm and cytoplasm. Okay, protoplasm is a like a border. The cytoplasm is a fluid-like substance. Fluid means what? That is a liquid form. Like liquid, the water content, the cells. Yes, not doubts. Cell wall I told, protoplasm I told, cytoplasm I told. What is the chloroplast? The chloroplast is a like rod-like structure, double membranes. They have many organelles inside. When you see the electron microscope, lot of organelles are granum, grani, thylakoids. Stroma, they have many organelles. Take the notes. Yes. This is a chloroplast. What is the function of the chloroplast? And interestingly, in plants prepare their own food because presence of the chloroplast. Sir, how to possible, sir? The particular reactions is called as a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Take the light energy is converted to the chemical energy. Light energy is the chemical energy, produce the glucose. Then only we are depend upon the plants for food. That is called plant is autotrophs. We are a heterotrophs. Understand? Okay. So, not only here, during the photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food and release the oxygens. We are breathing. Understand? Breathing or not, everybody? Every living organism breathing. Every living organism made by the cells. Now I am going to discuss the plant cell. Understand? Very, very important. The chloroplast role is wonderful in plants. Understand? The next, you write it nearby chloroplast. Chloroplast. Last we will start. What is my chloroplast? Food preparing organ. Excellent. Clap everybody. Very good. Excellent. There is a chloroplast. Okay. Food factory of the plant. Question will ask him. Food factory. I told to you. Okay. Note downs. The next, another important organelles. There is a rod-like structures under double membranes. The particular organ is called as mitochondria. I am speaking, I am walking, I am running, I am teaching. Lot of energy is released. Isn't it? Lot of energy is released. I am speaking, walking, running. Lot of energy is released. During these times, ATP molecules produced. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP, note down, just understand adenosine triphosphate. Just understand this fundamental. After we'll discuss later. Later we'll discuss. Okay. This is a mitochondria. Here, the mitochondria only produce a lot of ATP molecules. Question, note down. Yes. Mitochondria, ATP molecules produced. That is called as powerhouse of the cell. Many energy produced in the mitochondria. I am speaking energy released. Everybody understand? Last page, any doubt? No doubt. Any doubt? Where is a cell? Everybody. Yes, students. Yes. Every organ made by a cell. Top to bottom. Each and every organ made by cell. Understand? Now understood? Okay, super. Okay, yes. Here, the next electron microscope, they have a nucleus. The nucleus function means what? Nucleus. The nucleus is a. Then, when you look electron microscope, that is a clearly see the spherical-like structures in the cell. That is called as nucleus. This is a nucleus. Note down. Nucleus. Yes. What is the spherical-like structures? Yes. Yes, sure. They have many organelles. Again, inside when you look electron microscope, many organelles inside the nucleus. Scanning by the electron microscope. Is it clear? Right. What is the function of the nucleus? Next, what is the function of the nucleus? Already told chloroplast, mitochondria told, cytoplasm means what? Protoplasm I told, cell wall I told. The nucleus is a like brain. Each cell, one nucleus. Each skull, one brain. Brain what will do? Good. Control the body. Like nucleus control the cell. Nucleus control the cell. Is it clear? Any doubt? Stand up. Okay. Okay, sit down. Only pencil, no problem. Yes. Next, this is a nucleus. The nucleus control the cell. The nucleus inside, when you scan, lot of organelles is there, especially 3 organelles is there. There is a nucleolus. Understand? Like, just understand. Nucleolus, chromatin. I am taking the chromatins here. This is a nuclear pore. That is a nucleus. Okay, totally nucleus. Nucleus inside nucleolus. Then chromatin. And the chromatins is here chromatins. That is a nuclear pore. The nuclear pore, this is a chromatin. Chromatins have one of the network-like structure. They contents of the bead-like structure is called as a DNA. DNA. It is a DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA is a gene. The DNA is a genetic materials for all living organisms. Sometimes RNA, ribonucleic acid. Note down, very, very important. Then only understand everything. Interestingly, DNA or RNA is a genetic materials. What interesting about the biology. Okay? Yes. The next, small thighs-like structure. One head, another one is a big head like this. They have 2 subunit, small unit, large unit, like this. This is called a ribosome. The ribosome is a wonderful role. What will do? The ribosome is making the structure. Every structure is made by the proteins. When you another one making the protein structure, that is called another one cell by the cell division process. Mitosis or meiosis. Okay, understand. The 2 cell formed. The structures made by the proteins. Protein factory of the cell. Question definitely will ask. What is the function of the ribosome? Protein synthesis or protein factory. Food factory, note down, chloroplast. Powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. Protein factory of the cell, ribosomes. Production of the cell by the cell wall. Okay, just understand. Not only the particular organelles. When you study for the cell biology, study about the cell, cytology, we can understand the lot of cell organelle again inside that. Ribosome, not only ribosome, lysosome, vacuoles, and so many other organelles, dictyosome, peroxisomes, spirosomes, they have many organelles. Each one of them do the each function. Okay, students. Tomorrow, draw the pictures, label the parts, plan cell structures. Tomorrow, everybody should submit. Okay? Actually, what happened in the classrooms? I was teaching nobody in the classroom. Just imagine I discussed with the students. Do you like this channel? share to others. Thank you.